So students, welcome and LAKSH School of Science again with the new lesson 8 D and F block element. D and F block, we are going to study lots of interesting things that might you don't know about your life, and that's why a brief introduction onto this D block element. D block element in periodic table, if we'll see, then it comes in between S and P block. If we talk about D block, then D block elements started with the group number 3 to group number 12. So that's why here first topic written like this, okay, the D block of the periodic table contains the elements of the groups 3 to 15 each with the d orbital are progressively filled in each of the 4 long periods. So the groups are 13 to 12 and periods are 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the notation of the D block that you have to remember. What do you have to remember? So D block elements are having group 3 to 12 and periods. So periods are 4 to 7. This is our basic concept, basic talk about the D group elements. Hope that you understand these D group elements. Okay, so this is the initialization part of the D group element. Okay, now progressively fill D block. So that I am going to discuss with you. Okay, if we talk about the D block, then D block have total 5 parts. How many part? 5. So if we go with this D block, then D block has this block body building like this, and in this we divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the total 5 block body buildings are there. Each contains 2 electrons. So that's why the total there are 10 electrons in D block elements. So these 10 electrons means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10. So total 10 groups are there included into the D block. Due to this reason, it has 5 bodybuilding block, and each block is consist of 2 electrons. So there are total 10 electrons in D block. Okay, so the F block consists of element. Now we are going to talk about D and F block is the introduction. So we have just taken introduction of D block. Now we are going to take the F block. The F block consists of elements in which 4f and 5f orbitals are progressively filled. ચલો તો ડી બ્લોક માં કેટલી પીરિયડ્સ 4 પીરિયડ ભરાય છે. કઈ 4 5 6 and 7. ઓકે, જ્યારે ડી એફ બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ માં ખાલી બે જ ભરાય છે, એક 4f અને 5f. They are placed in a separate panel at the bottom of the periodic table. એ લોકોને ક્યાં રાખવામાં આવેલા છે? અલગ છૂટા પાડેલા છે. You know, if we draw the flow chart of the periodic table, then periodic table should be drawn like this. Here first S block, then here we have slightly heavy, that is mota, okay, P block, and then in between we have here F block, and here the D block and F block. This is the flow chart of the periodic table. And if we go, then here I have to write S block, here I have to write P block, here it is D block, and it is the portion of our periodic table. If we divide the periodic table, it will look like this. Now the names transitions metals and inner transitions metals are often used to refer to the elements of D and F blocks respectively. Now you have to remember the D block is known as transition element. D block ને આપણે કયા નામથી ઓળખવાના છે? ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટના નામથી જ ઓળખવાના છે. અને F block ને આપણે કયા નામથી ઓળખવાના છે? F block will be known as inner transition element because it is inside the D block and that's why it is known as inner transition element. So hope that you understand કે આપણે કોને કયા નામથી ઓળખીશું. That you understand D block is known as transition element and F block is known as inner transition elements. Okay, so that will be also right idea about our knowledge. Then there are mainly 4 series of the transitions metal. Now this will be the important કે કઈ 4 series છે. So these are the 4 series in transitions element. We have 3D series, that is up to scandium to zinc. Remember this, કોણ ક્યાંથી જાય છે તે તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે. 4D series is up to yttrium to cadmium. The 5D series is up to lanthanums to hafnium to mercury, lanthanum and hafnium and then mercury. And 6D series which has actinium, and actinium is reaching to rutherfordium to canisium. Okay, so these are our D and F block element that you understand. So RF is rutherfordium and Cn is copernicium, so that you can understand. The 2 series of the inner transitions metals 4F is from cerium to lutetium and 5F, that is up to the thorium to lawrentium. So this is our topic regarding to the our point. So few minutes. Okay, so 4F cerium to lutetium and 5F thorium to lawrentium are known as lanthanoids respectively. So remember, 4F series is known as lanthanoid while 5F series is known as actinoids. So this is the just a few things you have to remember. Okay, which is known as lanthanoid? 4F. And which is known as actinoids? 5F. Because the in 4F lanthanoids, the first one is lanthanoids, that's why it is known as lanthanoid, and for that 5F the first one is actinoids, that's why it is known as actinoids. So these are the basic idea about the D and F block elements. So now we are going to talk about the furthermore in this thing, and that is the about periods. Originally the name transitions metal was derived from the fact that their chemical properties were transitional between those S and P block element. ચલો આપણે આને થોડું ઇંગ્લિશના બદલે ગુજરાતીમાં સમજીશું તો તમને ટ્રાન્ઝિશન વસ્તુ એકવાર ખબર પડે ને તો ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ ફિઝિક્સમાં પણ આવડશે બીકોઝ એવું આવે છે કે મૂન ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિસ, અર્થ ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિસ એન્ડ ધેન માસ ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિસ. તો આ બધા વર્ડ્સનો મિનિંગ શું થાય? બીકોઝ વી અપ ટુ બ્રિંગ અવર નોલેજ અપ ટુ સમ સ્મોલેસ્ટ એરિયા કે આમાં લખ્યું છે ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એટલે ટ્રાન્ઝિશન, બટ ઇન ગુજરાતી ટ્રાન્ઝિશન મીન્સ સંક્રાંતિ. Now what is સંક્રાંતિ? So you know about અગર જો સંક્રાંતિ વર્ડ આવે એટલે તમારા બધા મગજમાં આવી જાય મકર સંક્રાંતિ. So what is મકર સંક્રાંતિ? That we are going to talk about first. Okay, so that is a very interesting talk કે સન જ્યારે ટ્રોપિક ઓફ કેન્સર થી બરાબર માઇગ્રેટ કરીને ટ્રોપિક ઓફ કેપ્રિકોર્ન પર પહોંચે બરાબર, on that day we celebrate as a મકર સંક્રાંતિ, કારણ કે કર્ક રાશિમાંથી એ મકર રાશિમાં જતો રહ્યો, કર્ક પોઝિશન પરથી એ મકર પોઝિશન પર ગયો. એવરી યર એવું થાય કે કર્ક પરથી, બીકોઝ ધ અર્થ ઇઝ સ્લાઇટલી ટિન્ટેડ એટલે આવું થાય છે. ઓકે, સો ધેટ ઇઝ વેરી સિમ્પલ લોજિક અબાઉટ ધ our topic. So this we are going to talk about this in next video. Okay.